Hello, this is James Maestri here with another tech tip. We all know how valuable YouTube can be for music educators. You can use YouTube to support your instruction through technique videos, play alongs, backing tracks, historical lessons, inspirational videos, and an endless amount of other reasons. However, are you using YouTube to its fullest potential? I believe that it is our job to teach our students responsible technology use while equipping our students with abilities that will allow them to be successful in our ever evolving world. With that said, here are a few tips you may not have known about YouTube. The first YouTube tip I'd like to share is the playback speed feature. If you click on the gear in the right hand lower corner, you can increase the speed or decrease the speed of the video. This is great for group rehearsal or individual practice. The second YouTube tip I'd like to share is the loop feature. If you right click on a video, this menu appears. Click on the loop to activate the feature. This feature replays the video without those annoying ads. It's also great for continuous backing tracks. The third YouTube feature I'd like to share are keyboard shortcuts. Spacebar starts and stops a video. Pressing F will make the video full screen. Restart the video using the home key. Pressing the end key will go to the end of a video. And finally, pressing a number 1 through 9 will seek through a video by percentage, 0 being 0%, 1 being 10%, 9 being 90%. Next useful YouTube feature I'd like to share is the Start At feature. First, click in the address bar. Next, add ampersand T equals 1M45S to start at 1 minute and 45 seconds. You can share this link with your students to emphasize a certain technique where you would like them to focus. You could even differentiate videos or sections of videos for each student. Final useful YouTube feature is disabling annotations or cards from your videos. Click on your account settings by clicking the circle. Next, click Playback and Performance. Uncheck this box. Says Show in Video Info Cards. Reload your web page, and the feature will take permanent effect. This is useful because some annotations and cards may not be school appropriate or they may be distracting to your students. These are just a few features that you may not have known about when using YouTube. There are many more features that I did not cover that you can find through a quick Google search or YouTube search. If you do happen to find a useful feature, please share with us on the ArkMEA Facebook page or through email. Thank you for watching. Feel free to share this video with others and be on the lookout for more free content and resources by Arkansas Music Educators Association.